William with another review, and look at this, we're in the Riverstone. This will be the first time I've ever done this video in here like this on this camera. But let's talk about some headphones. TOZO, T-O-Z-O, TOZO, and they are called open ear ring headphones. First time I've ever used these. Now I've already opened them because I've been playing with them for the last couple of days, seeing what I think of them. Now, I'm not a big fan of these because I like it all the way in my ear. I want to get the full bass, I want the full music, but a lot of people don't like that. And what these headphones are designed for is to set right here, held onto your earlobe basically, and just set right here and put the music, but you can still hear everything in your surroundings. So they might work great if you're driving and you still want to know what's going on. You're working, taking care of kids, or whatever you're doing, and you still need to have that going on, but you want something playing in your ear. That's the new design. These are new things that have came out now. What caught my eye on this pair is it gives you the full battery power of the case and each one of the headphones. So that's cool. Plus another thing, when these things came to us, they were already 100%. So I didn't need to do anything. So let's just unbox them real quick and show you what's in the box. Okay. All you got is some paperwork in there. You got the little Type-C charger. Plugs right into the back. I used my regular charger. I didn't even use that one. But you open it up. Let's see if you have to push the button. See? It says 100%. Each one of them are back at 100% on each left and right. Let's just pull one out and show the design here. What did I do with mine? Oh, my iPhone's in my pocket. Okay, let's get my iPhone out here. Okay, let's go. When you pull them out like that, you can see that one's for the right ear. Now somehow, I don't know if I'm getting them right, but this just sets down here like this. I'm sure I got big ears compared to some people, but you can see how that just sets right there. You can hear the music. Is it loud? It's a good sound. I'll give it that. It's a good sound. I think it's as loud as it can be, not being in your ear and just setting right here. So that's how it is. It stays there. It feels comfortable. It's not in your ear. So if you're one of the people that cannot have headphones shoved in your ear and you don't want to wear them big things when you're out on the plane like I do and look like that guy, you want something you can just get by with, or you want to take phone calls or stuff like that, this might be the way for you to go. You can change the songs. You can do everything just by tapping on it. That's what it looks like when it comes out. Let's show you. There's the speaker right there. That's what's setting right in the ear right there. And then this just is kind of like spring. It's really soft, very comfortable. Not quite sure how it's supposed to go. They show it more like this. No, that's got to be, that's what feels the most comfortable. So that, hopefully you can see that in the video. It gives you an idea what it looks like. TOZO are the headphones. Very comfortable, good sound, easy to connect. All you have to do, hold that button right there. Yeah, a little round button right there. You just hold that like that until it shows up in your phone. Tap on it and it'll go right through and it'll set it right up. Been using them now for at least a few days. Yeah, I mean, if I want to hear what's going on around here and else everywhere around me and stuff, and still be able to listen to music and stuff back there, or, you know, maybe you like to listen to books and stuff like that, and you still want to know what's going on, you can just, you know, if you can comprehend both things into, you know, multitask all at one time, or maybe the idea behind this is you just need something back there to hear. But, you know, they're not going to be great if you're in a loud area, if you're on an airplane in a loud area. I wouldn't recommend them, but if it's better than nothing, you know, you can still hear what you want to listen to, but you're going to hear the background noise. That's the design of these. The design of these are for the people that don't like something shoved in their ear or something they don't like over their ear. So they're comfortable. They're nice. They work fine. I mean, they're inexpensive. I'm going to put the link down below, and you can get them on Amazon. Let's just go. You never know on these earbuds, because you'll price them on Amazon. 1 minute there'll be one price, the next minute there'll be a next price. So the current price today when I did this video is $29.99. Very cheap. They're worth it just to have around, just for that special, you know, thing that you need them for. They come in black, blue, green, red. All of them are right there. Black, blue, green, and red. Red looks pretty cool. $29.99 on Amazon. She'll put the link below. Pretty simple box. They were wrapped and everything, nice and everything in there. You know, just an inexpensive earbud, wireless, that you don't have to have shoved in your ear. So hopefully that helps. If you liked the video, give us a thumbs up. If you like what me and Robin are doing on the channel, subscribe to the channel, and always